So, thank you, Lord. It's grade 8 graduation, tapos birthday ng grade 8 graduation ng bunso namin, and then birthday ng kuya yesterday, and Father's Day tomorrow. So, 3 occasions, guys. They deserve the best. And the lechon is the best. No bias, guys. Feel like, nasa Cebu ako. Ayan, very lambot. Ang lasa. Basta worth it siya sa pag-order. No regrets. Hindi to sponsored, Good job. Highly recommend. Yan. Ito lang ang namin. Ang soft drinks nasa labas. So, may mga darating kaming konting bisita. Mga old friends namin. Yeah.